Today, I embark on a trek across Route EN5 2A, also known as Caminho Florestal, Forest Road. A road that sits between Mount Santa Barbara and the parish's central area. Nature rewards those who rise early, and the gift of beauty that comes with the sun's first light offers something magical. A perfect example are the different hues that grace the island's land. Luckily, in Santa Barbara, the eyes can feast on the different shades of the color green.
One of the great things that I've noticed about the parish of Santa Barbara is that there are no shortages of beautiful viewpoints to look at. I'm off route EN5 2A. I'm at a pull-out spot. It's not classified as a mirador, but after sitting here, enjoying the views, it's just a peaceful, tranquil place to just sit here and gaze out at the ocean, the forest, and the parish's central area that's located just down the hill over here. I've really enjoyed my time here, chilling at this spot, enjoying this sunrise. I really recommend, if you guys come through EN5 2A, to stop at this place, have a little seat, enjoy the area, and really soak in what makes Santa Barbara so special, so beautiful, so green. It's just absolutely stunning right here in this area.
The path along EN5 2A goes for about 3.5 kilometers between the parish's borders. Though it seems like a short distance, every break in tree cover opens up to fantastic scenery. I couldn't help but to fly my drone at every opportunity to see from above what my 2 feet on the ground couldn't see. I could see the parish's central area from here. Several different plots of land divided by the famous patchwork. I could see fields of green divided by huge pattern-like treetops. I could even almost see the tip top of my Santa Barbara, but there's no worry. We will see later in this episode. Along the route is the road that makes its way up toward the top of Mount Santa Barbara. The passageway is covered in tall moss-filled trees, inviting visitors to enter, but for now, we will move forward exploring the rest of Route EN5 2A. Further ahead, I noticed a small woody area that just so happened to have a trail. Nothing official nor marked, but I decided to explore nonetheless. I found the trees not much taller than myself, holding leaves about 3 feet in length. I found an open field with short stubby plants that seemed like perfect hiding place for creatures out of a fairy tale movie. It's funny how I thought in this moment about fairy tales, and what not when in reality, this small, probably insignificant trail to many felt so enchanting to me. But that's what this island is, an island of enchantment and beauty around every corner.
So many birds. I like to go off trail. I'm glad I didn't get lost. Off EN5 2A, I just kind of took a little trail that went up towards the hills to see what I can find. Found a lot of vegetation, a lot of birds. Pretty cool spot. I'll go back to the car right now from the next spot.
Our last stop on EN5 two-way in Santa Barbara is just before the entrance to the parish of Dos Abades. Here to one side sits an odd-shaped formation of sheer-cut hill, and to the other, more rolling fields cut out in straight lines in many different sizes. I also happened to fly over and catch the home of many cows, pleasantly enjoying their green pasture. How different the cows of this land live. Open, spacious, clean. The absolute opposite of where I grew up.
Probably one of the biggest downsides to this parish is the weather can turn at any minute. It was sunny not too long ago, beautiful skies, rain not too long ago. Now it's more cloudy, but it's still, you know, kind of bright out here. One thing to look out for when you're so close to the mountain, weather can turn, it can rain, there could be fog, it could be sunny one minute, rainy the other. I mean, it is what it is, can't control the weather.
For now, the fog has taken over, but for a short while. And when the weather cleared up, I ought to see a sunset where I greeted it this morning, but first, I have to get there.